Hello, my name is Akshayagan and I am from Team Climatechies with my teammates Sarthak and Madhura. As we all know, the industrial era starts, and because of that, there are changes in the climate, which impacts to the floods, wildfire, heat waves, earthquake, etc. Yet, the peoples often lack real-time awareness of this severe and clear connection to climate change. There is urgent need for a solution that delivers real-time accessible and relatable updates to raise awareness and drive actions regarding climate change. So, we have come up with the solution Greenova. Greenova, bringing green aura to life. Talking about objective of our app is available in both the language, English and the local language, specifically Hindi. So, let's go through our prototype.
Hello everyone, myself Madhura. I am going to explain the working of our prototype. So let's get to it. First, we will see the homepage of guest users. So this will give the international news and national news, then challenges window, but the other options are restricted to the registered users only. So user must have to log in to access them. Now let's open the international news. So here we predefined some news across the world. So these are the news that we will show in our prototype. We have used high quality photographs, a clean user friendly interface and simple graphs and visuals to make the news more engaging and interesting for the users. As you scroll down, you can see the challenges that humans are facing due to the climate change, and then below that we have the solution window. Then we also show the impact of these challenges so that user can get the seriousness of the situation. When user want to see the solutions, then our app will show them a message that they have to log in first to access that feature. This ensures that only the registered user can get complete access to the personalized features of our app. And this is the next news sample. So this is also similar to the first one. Then this is the third one, similar to the previous one. Then this is the national news. This is its interface is again similar to the international news, as its interface is clean, visual and user friendly. Then for the local news, guest user cannot access this option. They must have to log in to access this feature. On clicking the local news, it will redirect them to the login page. Then the community section is again restricted to the registered users only, so it will also ask them to log in first. Now let's see the challenge page. Here we show the user the challenges that occur due to climate change, then their impact and the need for solution. This will show user the seriousness about the situation and create the awareness in humans or people around the world. Now we are logging in with the help of predefined username and password to show you the features of our registered users. Once logged in, user get access to international news, national news, local news, then the solution window also. Then they also get access to the community interaction, disaster alerts, fun games, etc. Now let's see the international news. This is similar to the guest user, but in view solution, after clicking the view solution, you redirects to the solution page, and this will show you the solution of the challenges that we discussed above. The UI is clean and useful for users to understand what to do. Now we will access the local news. Here we will take the input from the user about their area, their city, and we will provide them the solution or the news related to their area. To make our app more interactive, we added the fun game option also, so that user will engage in our app. User can start to play the game. At any point they can quit it, but after completing all the quiz, they will get a final score. This increases the engagement and makes the platform more user friendly and enjoyable. This is the community interaction section where registered user can interact with each other. They can give their opinion on the local news, or they share their local experiences. Then they can also form clubs and gatherings and interact with each other. This will build a strong climate aware community. This is the challenge page similar to the guest user, and then this is the solution page which is only given to the registered users. Now the disaster alerts. This is one of the most important component of our app. It is also restricted to the registered users only. Now here we provide alerts and information about flood, earthquake, cyclone, heat wave, wildfire. This will create the awareness in people also. When user clicks on any of these disaster, he can access to the high quality photos, then the challenges caused due to this disaster, then the preparedness tips that the user can do before any disaster. This will help user to understand more about the disaster. The user can understand both risk and precautions to stay safe. We also provide a contact us page. Here user can give feedback, then ask question and reach to our team Climatechies through the email. Now lastly we have the logout option where the user can log out. So we also provide this whole features in Hindi language also to connect with more people, and in future we will also add some local languages to connect with more people, and for them it will be easy to use our app. This is a complete walkthrough about our prototype. Our platform aims to make climate awareness informative, interactive, then engaging and easily accessible for everyone. So thank you. Now my friend will tell us all the technological aspects of our prototype or our app. Thank you.
Now I'll explain the technologies used in our project and how the entire system works from the front end all the way to the back end. Our front end is built with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML forms the structural layout, all the elements the user sees. CSS handles the visual styling, making the interface clean, consistent and responsive across the devices. JavaScript brings interactivity, manage user actions and handle communication with the backend. Whenever the data needs to be processed, JavaScript sends a request to the backend and receives the structured response. The backend is developed in C++ using object-oriented programming principles. We structured the backend around classes and objects to separate functionalities, encapsulation to protect data and expose only control operations, inheritance to reuse and extend common behavior, and polymorphism to make the code flexible and easier to modify. The design keeps the backend fast, modular and scalable. C++ allows us to handle performance-heavy tasks efficiently. We have connected the backend and the front end using HTTP protocol. When the user interacts with the interface, for example, clicking a button or submitting details, JavaScript sends the data to the C++ backend. The backend then processes the information using object-oriented programming language, generates the required output and sends it back. The front end then updates the user interface instantly based on the response. We have also included a few important additions. Input validation on both ends ensure reliable data flow, modular code structure in both JavaScript and C++, making the project easier to maintain, responsive design so the UI works smoothly on any device, error handling for practicable behavior even when something unexpected occurs. Overall, the front end manages user interaction and displays while backend handles the logic using object-oriented programming principles in C++. Combined, they form a smooth, efficient and well-organized application.
And that completes the demonstration of our prototype. The platform aims to make the climate awareness easy to access, then fun to use, simple to understand, engaging for all age groups and also helpful in emergency situation. So thank you for watching our demo.